Now, 2019 World Championship bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton says that just getting back to another global final after an injury-riddled past few seasons is what she will take away from the 2022 World Athletics Championships. Clayton also says that being part of the fastest ever 400-meter hurdles race is an honor.
Just like she was 3 years ago, Rochelle Clayton was involved in a world record race in the 400-meter hurdles in the final here in Eugene on a Friday evening. Clayton, who took bronze in 2019, was sixth this time around in 54.36 seconds. But the 29-year-old says just making the final was special based on a rocky past 2 seasons.
I'm extremely happy. That PR 2 days ago took a lot out of my legs. When I got to 200, I was like, oh my God, Rochelle finished. My legs were just tired, but I managed to finish healthy in a world champs final, and I'm so grateful.
Stephanie McPherson was a 5th place finisher in the women's 400 meters, clocking 50.36 in Friday's final. Candice Mccloud, who was in the Olympic final with McPherson last year, ended 7th in 50.78.
I felt a little flat, but I think it was okay. Honestly, I expected to perform better, yes, but I am out injury-free, so I think I have time to get back in the season.
Earlier, Christopher Taylor says he was proud of his accomplishment of making it to a second successive major championship final after finishing 7th in the 400 meters in 45.30.
Well, as you know, I had a knee injury from earlier this season, so the bend is not my best friend. I've been avoiding the bend all season, so I made it to the final. I got lane 1. So I just come with your mindset saying I'm going to execute a proper 200 and try to maintain from there and just come home. I didn't want to put too much pressure on my knee and then out for the rest of the season.
And national record holder Natoya Gould will be in Sunday's final of the 800 meters after clocking a season's best 1 minute 58.73 seconds. Adele Tracy missed out on a spot in the final 8 after finishing 3rd in her heat in 2 minutes 00.21 seconds.
I think I feel like I left it all out there, just didn't have quite the legs on me today, but just put in the same performance as yesterday. But yeah, I'm really proud of my efforts. It's been a really kind of special championship for me regardless, and to be that close is really encouraging.
And Jamaica's men's and women's sprint relay teams will have a chance to add more medals to the nation's tally come Saturday. The women's team of Brianna Williams, Natalia White, Ramona Burchell and Kemba Nelson clocked 42.37 seconds for second in their semi-final.
I came in here and I was really excited because I know we had a strong team. We've been practicing and everything has been going well. Honestly, I wasn't mad at lane 8. It was kind of weird, but I'm glad that we had a far lane so I can get out quick and get a lead. Yeah.
And the men's quartet of Akeem Blake, Kemar Bailey Cole, Conroy Jones and Jelani Walker clocked 38.33 for 4th in their semi.
Well, I can't say I ran my leg. I did my part, and I think we have a little bit of mishap on the over the 3rd leg. But so be it.
I'll go out a little bit early and have to slow up my speed to call the button. So yeah.
Reporting from Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon, site of the 2022 World Athletics Championships, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.